Number 5. A 56-year-old man named Stephen was caught aggressively attacking and breaking several doorbells in his hometown of Birmingham, UK, even a few weeks after his court trial, in which he was charged with the same crime. The reason he destroyed the doorbells is unknown, even though it happened over 2 years ago. Even after being tried and having to pay money to the victims, he continues his attacks. Neighbors say they are mentally terrified by his attacks. Some say they can't even sleep. Number 4.
Just have a couple questions.
The era of opening doors for people is over.
Are you sure?
A random man comes to your door and says he has some questions for you,
I just have a couple questions for you.
repeating the same phrase over and over again.
Are you sure?
Would you open your door to this man?
Sure. How are you?
The homeowner decides to answer the man, and he comes back saying,
Are you sure? Who are you? Yeah, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about the school.
he has some questions for the girl who lives there and that he wants to abuse and do worse things to her.
What I'm looking for is the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to rape her and kill her. You have her open the door? I'm going to rape and kill the girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in. I want to rape her and kill her because I have a knife and a gun. And I'm going to knock on the door again. All right.
The man was charged and arrested, being held in custody. Number 3. A man in a hoodie walked up to a camera in Smithtown, New York, and stole it. The owner asked the man what he wanted, and the man replied that he had gone back to his room and locked the door. He returned with a towel wrapped around his head and something sticky attached to the camera to shake the video. The owner called the police and filed a complaint against the neighbor, who was later arrested. This is the kind of guy you don't want as a neighbor. Number 2. Raymond Hawkins opened the door for a delivery man who was leaving a package. This was in 2020. When Raymond went to pick up the package, the delivery man attacked him with a knife. Then 3 more masked men enter with the delivery man and approach Raymond and his wife, who is behind him. She starts screaming, muffled screams echoing from the house as they fight. One of the culprits, Anthony LaSille, was arrested, while Christopher Sargent was charged with aggravated robbery for having a weapon in his possession. The other 2 suspects were never caught. Number 1. In this video, we see a horrifying scene when a man who appears to be disoriented tries to enter this woman's house with a knife.
What is it?
This is a little demon.
Who?
A little demon.
Sorry.
Don't be sorry.
He rings the doorbell while trying to break into the house. Someone then asks, "Who is he?" And the guy slurs his words and seems disoriented or hallucinating. Because the woman didn't understand what he was saying, she apologizes to what he replied. He looks scary at the camera while trying to enter. He then gets scared, when the lady of the house threatens him. A police officer examined the film and said that the man could be arrested because the event does not fit the criteria for a crime. Some lunatic tries to break into your house with a knife, and that's not a crime. Go figure. So that no one breaks into your house, ring doorbell, follow the channel, and leave a like to prevent crazy people from approaching your house. See you in the next video here at Vulture.